Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add supports in Cura Slicer. So as you can see, there's a red part, and that red part, it means it is unsupported right now. So basically to add supports, what you'll need to do is click on this drop down menu, and right here you'll see a support. And if you choose a support type, there's tree or normal. So tree will be sometimes economically friendly because those trees use less plastic, so it is the less waste. Or you can choose a support type for normal. And the placement, you can choose everywhere or just touching the build plate. And to generate those supports, just click slice and wait a little bit. And as you can see, now it is sliced, and if you go to the preview, you will see that it will generate supports, and you can use to see the preview how the supports will look like. So for this type, I would recommend to use trees. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.